Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a couple of reviews for you guys today, and I'm going to combine it all together for one look on my face. Right now, as you can tell, I have my eye makeup already done, and I'm going to be putting on foundation using this brush. And then I'm going to be using this lip liner, NYX lip liner, and combined with this Vasanti Lip Crush lip pencil. And hopefully it comes out okay. Alright guys, here comes the foundation. This is the most craziest part because there could be clearly a difference in color between my skin and this. And when I checked the chart for this specific foundation, it said that this was the right shade for me. I'm a little bit scared because it is so much more darker than I thought it was going to be. So let's go ahead and try this. So right away with this brush, you could tell that this brush is so thick. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. This is one of those brushes that you massage your body with, like dry brushing it feels like almost. I really like the hexagonal shape that it is in. It feels so good. Alright, let's try using this. Let's see if this holds up with the foundation. So this is how the foundation looks like on my hand. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm a little bit scared. Lord. Alright. So darker. Uh-oh. Wow. It's not my, tint, I don't think. I'm more of a... I don't have a tan tint like how people do. I'm more of a really just pale. So right off the bat, it smells weird. It smells weird. This doesn't look like it's... Interesting. You guys think it's working? Right, so far it's giving me that bronzy look. Right? There's a little bit of gold in there. Can you guys see? I don't think that this is my skin tone. Is it giving me coverage? Yeah, it's giving me a lot of coverage. I just hate the way it smells too. It smells so hot, so bad. So it's interesting, if you just... The darker shades of my skin, it's working fine on, but there's actually quite a bit of light shade going on in terms of my skin. There's a lot of parts where it should be just lighter, and so there's a slight tint to it where it looks like it's a bad tan, which, you know, we don't really like. It just looks like a bad tan. Like I've been in a tanning bed and it hasn't been working. Okay. Interesting. Alright guys, what do you guys think? Is this my right shade? Is this a little bit too much of a fake tan, or what should I do? Do you guys think I should go a little bit darker, a little bit lighter? Let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, I do have to let you guys know good things about this. You really only need the smallest amount for this product, right? Smallest amount. I really only poured a little bit and only used about half of it, if not less than half. I paid really dirt cheap for this. It's absolutely worth it if you can find your right shade. It doesn't smell good, but other than that, I think if you guys are looking for a cheap foundation, this is it. Alright, so moving on, let's test this lip pencil. This is in the color Nude Pink, and it's by NYX Professional Makeup. You can find this in any drugstore. And NYX is a really popular drugstore brand. They used to have really bad lip pencils back in the day. I remember testing one years back, and it was literally like a color pencil on your lips. It was not creamy at all. It was extremely rough, and it was like running a pencil through your lips. So I'm hoping that this is a lot better. All right, so let's test this out. We're gonna line our lips and in one corner. Okay. All right. So I'm really liking this. And the reason why is because it's a natural shade, natural color, and then you can build up on it, and it's actually pretty noticeable too. The color is showing up. Wow. All right. So this is totally worth it. I think the shade is perfect for my lips. Yeah. I think I'm liking this. All right, so this is a total yes for me. I can tell right away that the color is showing up. I can tell right away that it's lining my lips the way it's supposed to be. All right, so we're done with this. This is a total yes for me. And now we're gonna move on to this Matte Crush lipstick pencil, just to make my look a little bit more wild. This is gonna be in the color Blushing, and it's a matte lipstick. So I'm hoping that this is gonna be really good. And we will see right now. Okay. Alright, so there's a lot of pigment. Alright, so you guys see the massive difference, right? It makes my teeth look whiter as soon as I put this on. This is amazing. In terms of the color on this, oh my goodness, it makes my everything pop just because of my lips. And I absolutely love how it makes my teeth look whiter, and I feel like it just brightens up my look. The fact that I have this pencil, this lip stain pencil. So out of the 4 products that I showed you, I think I'm really loving these 2 the most. And then the brush, and lastly this foundation. So I don't think I would buy the foundation again. I don't really like this orange tint that gives me that fake tan, and it's pretty noticeable. This brush, I wish it was kind of bigger. In terms of the handle part, I think that would have made it really perfect, so I can kind of control it better. Maybe there should be like a feature where it like pushes the bristles together so it's more firm and controlled. That would be really nice for application. That would really help. Then, so this is ranked number 4, 3, and 2, and then 1. Oh my goodness, this is a huge surprise because I did not think I was gonna like this as much as I did. So what did you guys think? Comment down below which one is a hit or miss. Please let me know in the comments, and thumbs up the video if you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video.